this video, I'm going to go through part 3 of the signing off and claiming a learner's portfolio. I'm now going in as an IQA as the final part of their involvement with the certification for this. So I'll log in as the verifier. Now, because this is a test site, it's not immediately prompting me that I have an action to carry out this task, as we've only just done that. So instead, I'm going to go through portfolio and click my assessors. I can view his candidates' portfolios and view that portfolio for the learner. I can go through and check any decisions that have been made. In case the learner and assessor signed it off, I still feel that I need to, for the robust process, I need to go through and just check anything. But if I'm quite satisfied with everything, I can just click request certification. And that now has concluded the process from the IQA perspective for submitting a portfolio for claiming. Thank you.